Hiccups are more than just an annoying interruption. Did you know your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, is the star of this hiccup show? When it spasms involuntarily, air rushes in, causing that classic hic sound. But why does this happen? Common triggers include eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, or even sudden excitement. Now, here's the twist. Everyone experiences hiccups, but why do they sometimes last for hours or even days? Chronic hiccups can indicate underlying issues, like nerve irritation or even gastrointestinal problems. Want to stop them fast? Try sipping water carefully, holding your breath, or swallowing a spoonful of sugar. So, next time you hiccup, remember it's all about that diaphragm dancing. Got any hiccup stories? Share them below.